It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands. It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd.
Hi everyone, it's Seyma here. Today I'm gonna show you the beautiful Miami. So in this video we are gonna go to the Little Havana first, then we will head to the Wynwood. So first, do you wanna show the downtown here? This beautiful view behind me.
Stick with me.
And then Little Havana, where we are gonna be there soon. So let's go!
Never lost among the crowd with me.
Where we are in the Little Havana. This is 8th Street right here, as you see, and it is like the people call this as a calle ocho. This is the heart of the Little Havana over here. The old, like we can say, the Cuban population lives here. They moved after the revolution. So let's go.
It's the furthest.
Find the Cuban restaurants, Cuban coffee, the Domino Park over here. You can find the people dancing salsa. Let's show them.
Cry. The here goes but why? We're the desperate lie.
I love Cuban people.
Everywhere you go, I'll be.
The other place that is very popular in Little Havana, which means a cigar, the ice cream shop. Let's go and see the ice cream. You can see how busy it is. I love the ice cream here. The taste is perfect. I'm gonna show what is my favorite. It is here, Abuela Maria. You can see it's already a bestseller.
The crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me.
So you can also find the cigar shops here in Little Havana. Let's take a look at inside.
Anywhere you go, I see. Even though the autumn breeze, when the trees are shaking up.
You can see all the variation of the cigar over here, and I found one of the beautiful case with the cigars. Could be a very nice gift. Domino Park over here, and the people love playing domino. So I will show you in a second, and especially the elder people love playing. As I told you before, this is the Domino Club for Miami-Dade country residents for like 55 years and older people. There's also the Cuban restaurants here. You can find a Cuban sandwich and also the Cuban coffee. This chicken is very common and kind of like a symbol in Miami. You can see everywhere in the street. Can you please take a picture of me with this chick?
Una experiencia religiosa, este maón es otra cosa. Sigue peleándome así como si el mundo llegara a su fin. Más de ti yo quiero un.
Here they are rolling the cigars. You can see how they are making it.
Una propuesta. Y en tu mirada ya puedo ver la respuesta. Deja
princess.
I'm the princess.
Yes, number 1.
Wow.
You, number 2.
Pones la mente a volar.
You can also see the cute stores like this.
Yo te caché la señal, me hicieron falta palabras.
I think they're all handmade.
Todo fluyó natural, de lejos se notaba la energía sexual. Mami, ¿qué más? Hay algo en ti
Oh,
que me
wow.
tiene mal. Una belleza que me quema. Cuando
So we came to the little museum and they have all the old cars, all the ancient cars. And I love this one over here because I think we are matching, huh? What do you think?
falla, que yo te doy falla, falla. Que los cuerpos saben, no hace falta más. Sí, ya muy bien tú sabes lo que va a pasar.
You can see the Cuban flags all over the wall.
Pones la mente a
Wow.
volar. Deja que los cuerpos hablen, no hace falta más. Sí, ya muy bien tú sabes lo que va a pasar. Si conmigo te dejas llevar. Nah.
Okay, here we are in Wynwood now. As you can see, all the graffiti is in everywhere. This one is very interesting, I guess.
Take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky.
So this place is very famous for the Wynwood walls, where you can see huge, beautiful street art painted by artists from all over the world. Every wall is like a giant canvas, I can say. Wynwood is all about creativity and expression, so you will find the art galleries, cool shops, and fun cafes everywhere. It's a great place to walk around, take photos, and feel inspired.
Baby, you make me crazy. I'm seeing roses. Baby, just maybe you save me. Oh, take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home.
So you can find the street food here, and there are like a bunch of stands that you can taste like different kind of food. But we are not gonna eat here. I will take you to the taco restaurant, my favorite one. And of course, the vibe is amazing. There's music, food trucks, craft beer, and a mix of locals and the tourists. It's one of the coolest spots in Miami to hang out and explore. Yes, here we come to my favorite taco place. This is a Mexican restaurant and there's always line in front of the restaurant over here. So you can see even now the people waiting to get their tacos.
Room hearts are blooming. It's so consuming. Love what you do is so good that I'm doomed. Yeah, baby,
Looks yummy. These are the shrimp tacos.
seeing roses.
So if you'll excuse me.
Take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes.
I feel energized and much better.
Tell me the only thing you are is mine.
Okay, that's it for you today. So you can find good night places, nightclubs in the Wynwood as well. So thank you so much for watching me. I enjoy why I'm filming. I hope you enjoy too. I'll see you soon.